How to fix Instagram pin post not showing. Well, the issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In here, search for the application Speedway Fuel. Once you find it, head over to it. Tap on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. Offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Instagram pin post not showing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.